Sometimes you will see posts from Facebook groups you belong to and you will wonder when was this post made. In this video, I'll be showing you why this is happening and what you can do. You are welcome. Let's get started. Launch Facebook on your mobile device. Locate the group you want to manage its notifications. Tap on these three dots at the top right hand corner. Select Manage Notifications. You can see in-app notifications. If you want to receive all the posts from this group, select the first one. If you just want to receive the highlights, friends posts and suggested posts, you have to choose the second one. If you want to receive friends posts, these are posts from just your friends who are members of this group, tap the third one. If you want to off notifications, you want to receive only mentions and important updates to group settings or privacy, select this. The next one is push notifications. You can see once I selected the off, everything now is off. So if you select any of these three, you can receive push notifications, which are just highlights from suggested posts. If you don't want any of this, you can simply set them off. The reason why you get to see posts made days ago from your Facebook groups is because it is on highlights. You receive friends posts and suggested posts. If you want to receive all the post notifications from your Facebook group, select all posts. With this, whenever anyone makes any post from your Facebook group, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one.